In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the hottest spring niches right now on Etsy, and how I would personally go about attacking this niche to add new value with a full design tutorial. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. I am a wife and mama of two amazing kiddos, a full-time Etsy seller, now Etsy print-on-demand coach, here to give you all the tips and tricks to help you to be successful on your own Etsy print-on-demand journey. Make sure to check out below. I have a free Etsy print-on-demand starter guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Let's hop onto Etsy now, and I'm going to search shirts for women. Now these are extremely competitive keywords, so I know that in order to rank on this first page, these listings are selling like crazy in order to rank on this first page. Now I'm going to run my Everbee Chrome extension analytics to see exactly which listings are selling the best and see if I notice any patterns in the niches that are the top sellers. The first apparel related listing I see is this wildflower shirt that is estimated to be making over $5,000 a month in revenue. Next is this pocket wildflower shirt that's estimated to be making around $7,000 a month in revenue. Next is this botanical shirt that is estimated to be making around $2,000 a month in revenue. So as you can see, wildflower shirts are just on fire right now on Etsy, and it's definitely a niche that I wouldn't want to miss out on. Next, I'm going to search just for wildflower shirts on Etsy just to see what types of styles and products are currently trending in this niche, to see how I could personally add new value to my Etsy print-on-demand shop. Next, I'm going to head over to Creative Fabrica, where I'm going to search for wildflower graphics. I found these boho floral patterns that I really like, and I feel like they add new value to what I've already seen on Etsy while still following the trend styles that I noticed. I'm going to download these to my computer and upload them to Canva, where I can now work on creating my collage. Once I'm happy with this design, I'm ready to throw this on a mockup and list it on Etsy after I've synced the design in Printify. And just some other ideas for you on how to add new value to this niche and to also niche down. I would consider using keywords like vintage, boho, retro, and pressed flowers. I would also consider bringing this design style to other sub-niches that may have less competition, such as a teacher niche. For example, maybe putting the graphic first grade around a wildflower wreath. So thanks so much for staying until the end with me. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you. Next up is a print-on-demand design tutorial playlist you may want to check out. See you guys there.